and that is everything around you that you call life was made up by people that were no smarter than you.
More than I can say, do it to me, can say, more than I can say, do it to me, can say.
All right, we are here at Islands of Adventure at Universal Orlando, and we're gonna check out Jurassic Park today. Before we do that, we gotta find Jared. Jared live streams Monday through Friday for Explore Orlando, and he's here today, but he doesn't know I'm here today, so we're gonna kind of just find out where he is on the live stream.
Is none other than Jeff Goldblum.
Oh, perfect timing. It's a Jeff Goldblum reference. That couldn't have been better timing. All right, so he's actually in Jurassic Park, so we're gonna head that way.
Love so bad, love so bad, love so bad.
He's got like 400 viewers right now. All right, should we surprise him? Let's do it. A huge fan, man.
Oh my God. Brian is here. You guys haven't met Brian yet. Here he is.
All right, that was good fun, right? Oh man, VelociCoaster flying by. How cool was that? Gave Jared a little surprise there. But let's get to the video, which is to show you like the top 5 things here to do at Jurassic Park at Islands Adventure at Universal Orlando. So we're gonna start at the Burger Digs and Thunder Falls Terrace, which is a really cool place to eat. So we are actually here at Burger Digs and Thunder Falls Terrace, and to my left here, there is probably the coolest seating in the park where you can actually watch the river adventure go down while you're eating. We slightly walked through it, but the Jurassic Park Discovery Center is a true hidden gem. It's where you can discover dinosaur eggs hatching. It's also got a restaurant in there as well. It's also got a shop and a beautiful terrace up top where you can sit down and watch VelociCoaster and see throughout the park. It's a really cool spot. Raptor Encounter. I wasn't going to wait to go through the actual encounter itself. I know I got a shot of the exterior, but definitely something that you want to do if you want to experience a raptor in real life. And then again, to my left here is the Jurassic Park River Adventure. Just one of the all-time great rides. I think statistically, like the most expensive to build, and you can tell because everything's so real and authentic. One of my favorite rides here at the park. And as you can tell from the footage, there's an 85-foot drop at the end, which makes it pretty epic. And last but certainly not least, VelociCoaster. This coaster is truly the ultimate thrill ride. You know, it really is the crown jewel of Jurassic Park's attractions. Again, knocking off the rest here with making a vlog here for Explore Orlando. I hope you liked it. If you find the video entertaining, please subscribe. And of course, please also keep in mind Explore Orlando is a registered travel agency. So we have partnered with Universal and Disney so we can book any of your vacations. And even if you've been here before and you want to book a vacation, still book it through us. We can find you the best prices.